My people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I am going to present to you pieces of videos that's going to show a man shaving hair off of a man's face with a knife. Please do not try anything that you're about to see in these pieces of videos. Please do not try this at home. Observe with me.
Yeah, they're red.
Like a razor blade, little better.
You're right, like a razor.
Right now, if you shift and go, so you know, come right off the lip there.
Dry your lip, yeah. Dry your lip,
brother.
Dry the lip. Yo. Like this is a joke thing to them.
Man bust off the nose. Sit I go too near your nose, man.
Yo, not talk to him, man.
Watch the part, bottom part up on your nose.
Cut him.
Jano star, no sir. A knife.
No, he do everything in a one.
A movie alone, Mr. Sitting there.
And in shape.
Man, I might take off that.
I want a movie alone, Mr. Them thing here.
What's the matter with that boy down in there?
Line the man, line up the man and whatever. Right.
Movie alone, Mr. Them sitting there.
One knife. Huh? A man, I can't give man a box line up there.
My people, you see if me not use the right shear and all them sitting upon my face, I pay a bump with a swarm this, you know. Yeah man, me can't, certain things I see some people do. When it comes down to shaving, me can't run them the joke, them. Me can't just buy one little razor blade and set so I want shear and them thing and set so, you see me? But in a real movie alone, me see them thing there, you know. See me? Movie alone. Me don't know if people back in the days used to do it like that. You understand? Because back in the days, people and they more, you know, rugged when it comes down to certain things. You see me? The way all them used to groom themselves and so forth. But John know my people. You see me? Look for me. Me can't run there. You see that? Me can't run certain joke. That not really good for your skin, no, my people. For real, like that not really good for your skin for you to do something like that still, you know. No, sir. Anyways, don't try this at home. And I guess I'm going to left it. So, until the next time, I'm going to big up on yourself. You see it? Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla. Entertainment.